Hi and welcome to another video from LiveLink Training. I'm Ken Fisher. So in today's video I want to share with you just a little bit more of my exciting adventure with Olympus cameras and my new Olympus gear. But before we start, can I ask you a favour? If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment under the video and click that subscribe button. Also, you can visit my website livelinktraining.com where there's loads more videos than I can get on my YouTube channel. And if you like what I do, please share my video with your friends on social media. That would be brilliant. Now today is a bit of a special day because it's the upload of my 500th video. I keep expecting to be a fanfare when I say that, but it hasn't happened yet. So a huge thanks to all my viewers for helping that happen. Okay, what's today all about? Well, in a recent update to the firmware of the EM1X, it's actually got bird recognition software. Now, I was a little bit dubious about this when I first heard about it, but I thought it was time I tried it out. So I went down to RSPB St Aidan's yesterday, and I set it up and tried it out. And I wasn't only just amazed, I was totally blown away by it. It really works, and I got some really cracking images, and my hit rate was much higher than it has been in the past. Now if you haven't tried it, I suggest you give it a go. I think you will be impressed. Now, one thing to start with, let's get the camera set up in what I consider to be the best format for taking pictures using this new bird recognition. Okay, well, let's dig in. Okay, let's dig in. Well, the first thing we need to do is set up tracking subject for birds. And to do that, what we need to do is to go down first, down to the cog, and then across into the menus, the autofocus menus, and down to A3. And then if we go across in A3, we can go down to tracking subject. At the moment it's set to off, so if I press the OK key, I can get, we've got motorsports tracking, we've got airplanes, we've got trains, and now we've got the new one, which is birds. So I'm going to press the OK key to set that, and then press the menu key 2 or 3 times to come back out again. Next thing I need to do is to set the autofocus mode. So I'm going to press OK to get me into the super control panel, and I'm just going to go across one to the autofocus modes. I'm going to press OK, and then I'm going to just scoot on over to continuous autofocus plus tracking, so CAF plus TR. I'm going to press the OK key to OK that. Right, the final thing I need to do, and again I can do this from the super control panel, is I need all my focus points to be active. So I'm going to press OK, and then with the front scroll wheel I'm going to scroll back one or scroll forward a couple until all the points are active. I'm going to press OK, and I'm ready to go. Now another thing I like to do, and this is just my personal preference, you don't have to do this, but I prefer to shoot in shutter priority. So that's where I'm going to set, and auto ISO. So I'm going to go into auto ISO and press OK for that. And then my shutter speed I normally set to about 2000th of a second. Now I want all those settings saved, but I want them to be there when I want them to be there. You know, I want to use different types of photography at different times. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to save all these settings in as a custom function. And I can do that by, again, if I go to my menu and I go to shooting menu 1, and then go right, we're going to reset custom modes. If I press the OK key now and go down one, I get to assign to custom mode. and then I go across one and I get me 4 custom modes: C1, C2, C3 and C4. Well, I'm just going to set this to C1. So I go right, and then I've got options of set, reset. I'll click on set. Well, I've already saved everything in here, so I'm not going to do it, but you press the OK key to set them them figures in, and then all those settings are saved on your C1 dial on the top of your camera. So I'll come out of that by pressing the menu key a few times. There we go. So now all them settings are saved on my C1. So all I have to do is move the dial around to C1 on the top of the camera and all my settings will be there for me. Now, is that not cool? Well, that's it. I do hope you found that useful. If you did, don't forget, click that subscribe button, give me a thumbs up, or even better, leave me a comment underneath the video. That would be brilliant. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.